Hi, I'm Elaine. I'm a clinical hypnotherapist and psychotherapist, and I'd like to tell you a bit about hypnotherapy and how it can work for you. First, a little bit about me. I'm professionally qualified, holding both a DSFH and HPD, recognized as the gold standard in hypnotherapy. I'm also a member of several professional bodies, so you can be sure that I'm fully qualified, insured, adhere to professional standards, as well as keeping up my skills. So, what is hypnotherapy and how does it work? Maybe I should start with what it isn't and dispel a few myths. Hypnotherapy isn't mind control. You stay in control at all times, and I couldn't make you do anything you didn't want to, even if I wanted to. It isn't stage hypnosis, so I won't try and get you to do anything embarrassing. Oh, and there's nothing magical about it. The results might feel that way, but I assure you it's not. So what is it? Well, solution-focused hypnotherapy is firmly grounded in neuroscience, how our brains work. And I use it to help you make your brain and the way you think work for you, rather than against you. In that way, you can make the effective and lasting change that you want. It might be that you want to be less anxious or stressed, climb out of depression, have more confidence, or more self-esteem. Or you might just want to be able to sleep better. Whatever your goal is, the results of hypnotherapy are positive and enabling, and can be life-changing. If you want to feel better, be positive, see the possibilities around you, and achieve more, hypnotherapy will work with that intent. Literally reopening neural pathways to areas of your brain to help you do that. Lifting you out of that place you don't want to be anymore. So think about what it is that you want to achieve. You can do it. You will do it. And hypnotherapy can help you. Ready to move forward and find your solution, or want to know more? Have a look around my website at www.happy-hypnotherapy.co.uk, call or drop me an email. I'd be happy to hear from you.